super amazing. Now, as you can see the dashboard, here it is, and I happen to make consistent $5,000 approximately with Gohighlevel affiliate program. It keeps on coming paycheck to paycheck every month for me, and this is the proof for the respective. As you can see, every month it is being paid. Now the best part about this, it's a recurring monthly income. That means I mean, even if I don't do anything, because most of the people remain subscribed, and yes, there are cancellations sometime, but sometimes, like, I mean, most of the time people stay, because once their business starts with a Gohighlevel, they start making money, they start having the sub account, then they are logged in, because now they are making money. It's a revenue generation machine, so they keep on paying the subscription, I keep on getting the affiliate commission. This is the beautiful part. Now just imagine, on top of this, every time I'm adding new people, like I'm able to make people, I'm able to add to my affiliates. I will be earning more money on top of this. Like, this one is reserved, and then on top of it, that is why, like, this is one of the best program. Now here's the thing, why I believe this is one of the best time to promote the Gohighlevel affiliate program, and this is one of the best model right now, because especially Gohighlevel, not any other model. Just because somebody is paying me money or recurring income, or somebody, like, it pays 40% commission, by the way, for every, and for lifetime per sign up. Like, till the time the customer remains, keeps using the software, I keep on getting 40% commission from the monthly subscription that they pay. Most of the softwares, you need to see whether they are actually delivering the value or not, because this is the sustainable model in the universe. You have to keep on doing good in the world. You have to keep on delivering. It's give and take. So best part about Gohighlevel is basically out delivers more than anything people can imagine. Like, literally, this, I have been into this online space from quite a while. I haven't seen somebody delivering this much value. Like, literally, within Gohighlevel, you can create sub account 1, sub account 2, unlimited number of sub account, and each sub account can handle your entire business. Within the sub account itself, you have the feature of website development, funnel development, webinar development, complete email marketing. You have the AI chatbots, the AI voice agents. All of these things are world class quality. You have the entire CRM, you have the reputation management. Just imagine all these individual things. If you try to find out the software, there are individual softwares charging the equal amount, like similar monthly subscription. And imagine, if you are just signing up for the basic plan, $97 per month, you are still getting 3 sub accounts, and each sub account has all these features. And let me tell you, like, just for the email marketing, just for, let's say, the funnel development, you try to sign up for the software. Some of the software, they charge this basic amount just for the funnel, and if you pay $297 per month plan, like, it becomes unlimited number of sub account. So the amount of value that these people are delivering is out, like, literally, it feels as if you owe them the subscription money, the kind of value that they are giving. This is why this is the best affiliate model, because you are promoting something really amazing, and in return you are getting something amazing value. So here's the thing, guys. I came up with a deal for you guys, because of course I understand probably if you could also be considering to start Gohighlevel affiliate marketing. Now, if you are wondering, maybe the market is saturated, if so many affiliates, and let me tell you, right now is the tipping point. This is just the beginning of that tipping point. Gohighlevel is a $1 billion company, but the kind of value it is delivering, the kind of market it has proven, all the big names have now jumped onto the Gohighlevel. Now is the time it is going to grow like it's a $1 billion company. Salesforce and all try to see, like, how much $1 billion company they are. Now people are jumping from other platform to this. It is going to grow to like $20 billion plus, or even more. Like, even it can reach to the extent of 30, 40, 50 billion dollar. So just imagine, this is just the beginning, and if you can tap that amount, and imagine you can lock in for lifetime if you're actually able to get the affiliates. So here's the thing that I wanted to propose to you guys. Like, I'm going to offer one-to-one personal consultation, where in the live call, the best part about the live call is that you can pick the brain of the person. See, however much you watch the video, let's say, of any person, like, you watch the video and stuff, but if you're in a live talk, live call, live Zoom call, like, literally there is some sort of subconscious exchange, and that is what is known as picking the brain. So I want to give you this benefit of picking the brain, where I'm going to give this one-to-one personal call, and I'm going to reveal to you my strategies and what I believe works, and what I believe is the future strategy for getting the affiliates. The only thing that I want in return, before of course, like, if you check on my YouTube channel, I've done interviews with the CEO and the co-founder Sean Clark. Done interview, like, long strategic interview with second co-founder Varun Veravan, with the face of Gohighlevel, Chase Buckner. And like long back I used to be, because I on and off I used to be doing other thing, crypto and stuff, so I left it. But like 2020 I had, this was my first, I just won this award of silver affiliate of Gohighlevel. So I pretty much live and breathe right now the Gohighlevel. So the only thing that I want in return, so that you don't have to pay me money, is just sign up using my referral link. Now, why you have to sign up? Because first of all, the moment that you sign up for the, let's say, $97 per month plan, you get access to 3 sub account. You automatically become the affiliate of Gohighlevel. That is the thing. Like automatically, the moment that you sign up, you automatically become the affiliate. Now, this is one of the mistake people want to do. They want to have a free version, where they just become the affiliate. They don't pay for the software. Let me tell you, it would not work. It might seem very good for like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You're not paying anything. Still, you're affiliate, but it wouldn't work. Like you would not be. And initially, let's say you become the affiliate, and you're paying like, because of course you're getting 30-day free trial. And after that, let's say the first month, second month, third month, 3 months, you're paying $97, and you're feeling you're not getting back. That's the thing. Like during that time, it is forcing you to actually acquire the skill. And when you are out there making the YouTube videos, when you are out there talking to the clients, when you are out there getting the affiliates, literally they can see through, and like it is the karma effect. You are not yourself using the software, yet you're promoting the people. So you need to have the software so that you play around, you keep on playing around, and few months in, you can become like literally you grasp the system. And that is how like things become automatic. Some of the things that you'll talk to the people, the AI chatbot that you're going to tell to them, the voice agent, you yourself are able to see in your system day in, day out. So there is a positive environment, a pressure environment, and a law of karma, which is actually going to make you succeed in this focus. But if you don't, like, so, and apart from that, anyways, like now I think Gohighlevel is only considering the affiliates who are actually using the system themselves. So you have to be paid. So what is the link that you need to sign up with? Just type in the browser gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. This is the special link that they have created for me because I'm their premium affiliate. So I'll just type in this. As you can see, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. I'm going to leave it at the top of the screen. You go there and you click on start extended free trial. You have 30 days of free trial. You enter your details. Step 2, enter your card details and choose the $97 per month plan. Why $97 per month plan? Because of course here your intention is to become the affiliate. So of course your one sub account is enough for you to run the business, and I mean the minimal cost that you would want to pay. Now you focus on to selling the system. And how will you actually be able to sell the system to the people? Like literally I'm going to reveal to you, but not just reveal to you, I'm going to give you my one-to-one personal bonus set that I offer to the people, 100 plus snapshots and all these. Like literally, I mean today itself I had one of the message from one of the guy. I just made a video of my gym snapshot, that this is the snapshot, plug and play, you upload it, and within the system itself, everything gets automated. There's a gym website, so basically this is the offering that I'm giving. So that person was like, okay, I'm already signed up, so how can I get your snapshot? He messaged me because I left my mobile number over there. So I told him, like, of course there is a way of upgrading. So if he upgrades using my link, then he can get the snapshot. So basically, if somebody who has already signed up, if they want certain things that you're offering, or they want to, like, your personal help or whatever, they want to be your affiliate, they can upgrade using your link. So there is an upgrade link, and then there is a basic sign up link. So this is the time the next wave of people are going to come into this money making machine. Now let me tell you, like, as you have seen so much firing, like Amazon firing 30,000 people, with all these things happening, literally the new inflow of next generation people are going to flock into the online world, and Gohighlevel is the player, is the category king into all these fields right now. So this is one of the best opportunity to be the affiliate. Let me tell you, don't think and see the results don't show up now. Of course, I've given you the link to sign up. The moment that you sign up, you just email to me at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or WhatsApp me at my number. I'm going to leave my number at the top as well. So I'm going to initiate that one-to-one personal call where I give you my brain, and I also give you, that 100 plus snapshot and the bonus and all that strategy. But here's a few of the things. Like, let me just give you the free value, some of the free stuff with the affiliate marketing, some of the free tips that you can use. Now, there are 3 kinds of leads when we are considering. For example, let's say I want to have Gohighlevel affiliates, or any affiliate in the world where I'm just promoting my link and people sign up using my link. So what is the strategy? There are 3 kinds of people who are going to be using my affiliate link to actually sign up. Number 1 is the hot lead, number 2 is the warm lead, and number 3 is the cold lead. there's only three division of people. So who are the hot leads? Hot leads are the people who are like minimal effort for join up. For example, somebody who's looking for the Gohighlevel review, right? Somebody who's looking for Gohighlevel extended 30-day free trial link. They're searching on the YouTube. Or let's say somebody who's looking for probably Gohighlevel, let's say best bonus out there. So these people have already gone through the process of considering Gohighlevel, thinking about Gohighlevel. Now they are almost about to sign up. So they are the hottest lead. So it will be minimal effort. So let's say I create a video of, that, okay, Gohighlevel 30-day free trial. Or probably let's say the best bonus possible in the Gohighlevel. I make a video. And people who are watching that video, that means their intent is actually to get the best bonus. They are already convinced that they are about to, Gohighlevel is the opportunity, Gohighlevel is the software, now I want to sign up. And hey, wait, there is a best bonus, let me just see. So whoever is watching, they are the hot lead. And once they see, okay, this is the bonus, and they are almost convinced, they just click your link and purchase. So these are the hot leads who are almost about to sign up. They know about this they are problem aware, they are solution aware, they are software aware, and they are just about to sign up, and you just come in between to sign up, to get them to sign up. But the problem with this is like all the affiliates have already created so much of the contents, and like they have the system in place. They would not let you to just come in new and just get the hot leads right away. The next set category of lead, and this is the biggest pool of lead right now, like the warm lead, and those are the people who are the target, like who would be your targets as well. They are problem aware but not solution aware. That means, let's say a lot of people right now wants to just sell AI agents. A lot of people want to sell the voice, or let's say a lot of agencies are out there. They want to have a software probably, or they want to make money by selling the service. They want to, some people out there, they want to start an AI agency. So all these people are like a large category of people are there, like they are considering what could be the option. Maybe I'm going to personally provide Google ad service to the people I want to start, or probably I'm going to provide some chatbot. I'm going to build the chatbot. People are considering all these opportunities. I want to provide people with the Google help, Google review management. I want to create the website for the people. But they are not aware of the solution that, hey, Gohighlevel actually allows you to actually create the website into their platform, and you can sell to as many people. Like just create the website, and it is hosting, and you are charging monthly subscription, and then move on to the second person, third person. You can onboard 100 people, but you just pay one monthly subscription in the software, and software keeps on collecting money for you, generating you month after month. When they see this opportunity through you, so these are the warm leads that you're targeting. So let's say you're trying to create the video of the kind how to start an AI agency with like this, or how marketing agencies can accelerate with the SaaS income, how the AI agent selling. So all these things, then you're tutoring at a bigger level. Now when you're tutoring at a bigger level, then you are trying to funnel those people in, all those big pool of people into your thing, and convincing them with the Gohighlevel, and then convincing that they sign up using your affiliate link so that they get the bonus, right? So this is the biggest pool, and that's where the big you can pitch in and literally make a big bang out of yourself. Now the third category would be the cold leads. The cold leads would be, let's say somebody just I would just want to make so much money, man. Or probably, hey, Amazon is firing, people, job, but online opportunity. I've heard AI opportunities are big, but that's it. That is the only thing. I wish I knew it. So these are the cold leads. Everybody wants to make more money, right? But they're not aware of the AI agency. They're not aware of the marketing agency. They're not aware of, they are not even looking for it. So those are the audience whom you convince. But let me tell you, as an affiliate marketer, those should be because this is the biggest pool. The world is the cold lead. Everybody wants to make more money. So to bring them in, to convince them in, like it will take a lot of work. You have to funnel them in. First of all, you have to convince them that this is the opportunity. Instead of going and starting up, like forming a startup, forming a AI company, or instead of drop shipping, this is the path that you can choose. The AI agency you can start right now. Probably you can sell as a SaaS. You convince them with this, and then show them this is the way that with the Gohighlevel the model is working. And then the next layer convincing happens, that you show them, and it's not like we're manipulating or stuff. Of course, people are already making so much money. We're just proving to them. But this requires the next level of a skill to bring those pool of people. So the best opportunity, if the software is completely new but like almost on the verge of knowing, that's where the hot lead content people happen to make and they succeed with it. But the warm lead content will be forever and will be your pool of target. You don't target the cold leads right away when you come in. I mean, that should be once you have already created a mastery over the warm leads, and now you want to expand the pool to, that hey, you're already making $50,000 a month. Now you just want to create a system where you're just convincing people to funnel into this. So that would be your cold lead strategy. So warm lead strategy should be your best strategy right now. So guys, this is the one aspect of thing. But when we will be on to the call, I'm going to tell you specifically with the Gohighlevel thing and how exactly I did this. And I haven't spent much time onto this, because last year I was traveling to Dubai, for several months. I had to do so much thing, I couldn't dedicate much time. That's why the income has not increased that much. But now I'll be focusing further. I'm going to increase this, but I'm looking forward to hear from you onto my WhatsApp. Please message me once you have signed up. Gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid and start your extended free trial, 30-day free trial with a $97 per month plan. And let me tell you, this would be one of the biggest opportunity of a lifetime. And see you guys. Bye bye.